everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel where we break down complex tech concepts into simple and engaging stories. Today, we're diving into one of the most revolutionary technologies of our time, artificial intelligence, AI. What is AI? How does it work? And how is it already a part of our daily lives? Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand AI, but also realize how much it impacts your life without you even noticing. So let's get started. Basics of AI. What is artificial intelligence? Imagine a world where machines can think, learn, and make decisions just like humans. That's what AI is all about. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. This means computers and software can analyze data, recognize patterns, and even make decisions without human intervention. Official definition. AI is a branch of computer science that enables machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, perception, language understanding, and decision making. But wait, AI is not just robots like we see in movies. It's much more than that. AI in real life. Where do we see AI every day? You might not realize it, but AI is all around you. Here are some real-life examples. 1. Smart assistants. Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. Ever asked, "Hey Google, what's the weather today?" That's AI understanding your question and responding. 2. Netflix and YouTube recommendations. The reason you always get suggested movies or videos you love, AI studies your watching habits. 3. Self-driving cars. Companies like Tesla use AI to recognize roads, obstacles, and traffic signals. Face recognition. Your phone unlocking just by looking at your face, that's AI analyzing facial patterns. Chatbots and customer support. Ever chatted with a virtual assistant while shopping online? That's AI answering your queries. 6. Spam filters in emails. AI helps keep unwanted emails out of your inbox by detecting patterns in spam messages. Fascinating, right? AI is already shaping the world around us. How AI works? Now, let's get a little technical. How does AI actually work? AI works using data, algorithms, and computing power. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. 1. Data collection. AI learns from massive amounts of data. The more data it has, the smarter it becomes. 2. Training with machine learning. AI uses machine learning, ML, where it studies patterns in data and improves over time. 3. Neural networks and deep learning. Advanced AI models use networks similar to the human brain to recognize images, speech, and text. 4. Decision making. Based on its learning, AI makes predictions and decisions, just like humans. Think of AI as a child learning from experience. The more it learns, the better it gets. Summary: AI in a nutshell. All right, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. AI is the ability of machines to think and make decisions like humans. We use AI every day in smart assistants, recommendations, face recognition, and even self-driving cars. AI works through data collection, machine learning, neural networks, and decision-making algorithms. AI is not just the future, it's the present. And as AI continues to evolve, it will change the way we live, work, and interact with technology. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments what excites you the most about AI. See you in the next video. Until then, stay curious and keep learning.